She found.
D.
What?
Next project. No look. What do you think it is?
That's railway carriage, mate.
It's a railway carriage, exactly. But it's a bit of a mess. Do you know what we could use that for?
Cupboard?
Friggin' big cupboard.
That's alright, I've got a lot of clothes.
How about an office for me?
You won't complain about the state of the office then with my stuff.
Pardon? You're not having the office for yourself. We're kicking all of that stuff out and we can have something else in there instead. Anyway, we've got a new project to do.
Are you going to get it?
Yep.
How?
I use magic people. The little blue people. I've already found someone. They'll go and fetch it for us and fix it.
For a minute I thought you were Charlie in the Chocolate Factory. You have all these little munchkins pop out.
They're Oompa Loompas in Charlie and Chocolate Factory. Right, next project. Gonna start some videos off.
Yeah, go for it.
Cool.
Where's it going, by the way?
Office out there. I'll make space. We've only got a few trees and bushes and allotments and sheds, greenhouses. That's fine. I've got an idea.
We'll discuss it.
Yeah. For those that don't know, I then decided to rupture my Achilles tendon, which really messed things about, especially for a doer like me that likes to get stuck into absolutely everything. So unfortunately, we had to do the next bit with a contractor. Morning, YouTube. We've started a new project. Morning, morning. Morning. Boy. Yeah, I know. Don't know. I've just woke up. Huh? I'm just videoing the mess to start off with. Yeah. This is what we're starting with.
Here comes the digger. I can't believe you managed to get it through this little gate hole.
So, doing another update. The diggers are on the side. Our friend Russell. Let's see what they've got to. Right, let's go and have another little look, see how they get on. Jesus. Let's see what's occurring. So we got the pit in preparation for the concrete, which is awesome. Slightly trashing the rest of the house, but can't be helped. Anyway, onwards and upwards.
Right, this is day one. We have a nice sized swimming pool, I think. I can't believe how deep it is. It's like 3 foot, I think Craig said. So yeah, it's really deep. And this is mole clay, so I think that's how it's pronounced. So it's kind of like really heavy. It's insane, but it's good stuff. It's great for growing veg. Well, and at some point all of that needs to be levelled. Another project for another day. Oh my god. Yeah, so we had like 2 great big veg packs here, and yeah, no longer. I've got to find another place for them. Much better use of places, what we're going to do, I'm sure. Right, oh my goodness, that's another little project. Right, they're everywhere. Right, cheerio. Next instalment coming soon. Round 2. First lot was taken out this morning. Bless them, they've still got more. Took them all out. And see how the swimming pool's doing. Oh my goodness. Oh, I think they've done it. That's incredible. Oh man. Last little bit. Oh good. Oh my goodness.
We didn't have any footage of the stone laying, so you'll have to bear with us. We've got footage of everything else behind.
You ready for this?
Yeah.
Oh my god. That's cool. It does it by the barrow load.
No, you can set it to the barrel load, but you've got different size barrels. Yeah, I just turn it on and off. Yeah.
Oh, sorry. I'll get out your way. It's going to take a few barrels. Oh my goodness. Should I get a barrow and help? I can do that. I can't do that bit. These are quite deep, aren't they? Goes into my garden one. Must have taken you forever with that little thing.
Yeah.
Amazing. Honestly, that don't take you long at all when you get going, does it?
No, don't say if that would have been this morning, look.
You've been well away. Oh, no more swimming pool for me. Boo. Oh, brilliant.
There's no mess. It's gonna, yeah, it is gonna look fab with a something here in terms of a platform. But no, it's a taste. So he's done a really good job around the corner. I'm pretty chuffed with it. So we've now got all the sleepers in position. Looks pretty damn good. There's a wheel. Now we've got to sort out all this, but this will come out at a later date once we've got the carriage in. But no, super chuffed. So underneath there's a waste. It goes back to the manhole, and then we've got the electricity coming in, which will come out there and go under the path at some point.